What's going on, everybody? So today, really fast, we're going to go over one of my favorite photo editing mobile apps, and that is Snapseed. So let's get started. So we're going to bring this up, click on the photo that you want, and then because I downloaded this to my computer, I uploaded it to Amazon Photos. That's what I use for a lot of my high resolution. It's unlimited high resolution storage if you have Amazon Prime. So that only makes sense to do. So it gives me the raw develop function because it is a CR2, which is a Canon raw photo. This just gives you a little bit more, I wouldn't say it gives you more options, but to use this, it's not going to rob you a lot of your detail as you would using just a JPEG. And we're going to change the tint some. It was a very like that pinkish, sun was going down. It was a very pretty sunset right when I got this photo of this. I want to say this was a rough-legged hawk or something like that. Rough-legged hawk, I believe, is what this guy is called. I'm assuming it's a guy. I guess I shouldn't assume that anymore. I don't know. Anyways. So we can do tune image, and that gives you a lot of the same options. Ambience, I really like Ambience for some photos, so we're going to bring that up just a little bit. But one of the big tools that I really like to use for Snapseed is the selective option. And we're just going to zoom in, so just click and drag with two fingers, zoom in, zoom out. And then we're just going to click on the bird. And then by using two fingers again, zooming in, zooming out, you can adjust what you're going to adjust. But you can see the red mask on what you're going to be editing. So to do this, I would do the brightness. And I just want to bring the brightness of the bird up some. I want to bring the brightness of the bird up a lot. And so we're going to do that. And then, so just drag with your thumb or your finger up and down to change what you're wanting to change in the photo. So we're going to do that. And I use some of these tools. I don't use a ton when doing photos. I like curves. Curves are always good. Not that much curves. My fingers aren't working. There we go. My fingers are not working today. There we go. Whew, that was painful. Just a little bit of an S curve there. I really like this photo. I don't think I'm going to do too much to it. I do think I want to brighten it up some. So we're going to go back into here because this had an exposure. So this would be like a half a stop, a full stop. And actually really like that, but that's going to be super noisy. So I would have to bring, so somewhere in here, now I have to go find it because I don't remember where it is off the top of my head. Somewhere in here is a noise reduction. I don't think it's structure. It's called something else. So that's kind of it, but that's just almost making it just blurry. So probably not going to do that. Well, I don't know. It's hit or miss, but I really like this app. It works really good for what it is. It's completely free to use. I highly recommend it. It has a lot of just options. Just that would be weird. It's almost like a painting. And I bet you can go like full tilt the other way too, which looks really cool if that's your thing. It's super, super drastic, super overbaked, if you will. Sure, why not? We can keep that. That would be a little overbaked for my style, and I would have to go find a legitimate noise reduction option for this. But this is just a quick overview of this. The brush works just like you would imagine a brush to work. You have dodge and burn, exposure, temperature, and saturation options. So dodge and burn, so you're going to be dodging or burning. So we're obviously dodging. We can dodge the whole foreground, or we can bring this down and we can burn the whole foreground. Dodge and burn is actually a super super helpful tool. I actually don't use it probably as much as I should. The healing brush is what the healing brush is. Whoops, that's not what I wanted. Go back. So once you have zoomed in, you can drag on the left. There's a little box right there, and you can click in that box, and then you can move it around. So healing brush is what a healing brush is. We're just going to make that stick go away. Oops, too far. So we don't want this. We don't want that. We don't want this. So that kind of looks funny. So you can spend forever trying to make that look better in your opinion. So that's that. Thank you for watching. That is a quick video on mobile editing. Hopefully it makes your mobile editing just that much better, that much easier. I appreciate your time in watching this video. Please like this video if you found this video helpful. If you would like to see future videos like this, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell. Hopefully I'll be putting out lots more videos on mobile editing. It is something on my to-do list. Thank you again. Have a good day. See you in the next one.